What's up, guys? James, living in the Caribbean here, guys. Listen, we're heading on a bus today, and we're in Mexico, and we're going from Playa del Carmen up to Cancun, and we're going to spend 2 days up there. We might even go to a little island called Isla Mujeres, but you can see how drop dead gorgeous it is right behind me here. It's about 10:30 in the morning. Absolutely beautiful. They got people playing on the volleyball already. They got 1, 2, 3, 4. They got 1, 2, 5, 6 courts, 6 volleyball courts there, guys. Look how busy it is here. And it is drop dead gorgeous. January 15th. And so listen, I'm going to take you on a tour today. So watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to make a couple of short videos as well. And I'm going to talk to you about making money with affiliate marketing with Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy, Nike, all Dress Barn, all the top companies in the world now. Guys, you can sell products on their websites and they will pay you commissions anywhere between 5%. Some of them will pay you up to 30% commission. Now listen, I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2009. Now I actually started selling products on the internet in 1997. Amazon came out in 1998. I started selling books on Amazon in 2003. So I've been an Amazon affiliate marketing partner since 2003. Almost 20 years now, guys. Over 20 years, okay? 2024 now. So I'm going to talk about how you can set yourself up to make an extra $1,000 or more per day selling products on the most expensive, most famous, most richest companies in the world. Guys, Amazon is the richest company in the world, next to Tesla and SpaceX. But guys, listen, Jeff Bezos created a blueprint, a system that you can just plug into. It takes about 1 day and you can start making extra money. Now, if you're already making money, let's say you're already making $1,000 a day, why don't you make another extra $1,000 a day and make $2,000 or $3,000 a day while you're sleeping? You see, when I woke up this morning, guys, I already made over $3,800. $3,800 I already made this morning. That's why I can travel anytime I want, go anywhere I want in the world, because I'm making money daily. If I spend $3,000 today, I already know I'm getting that back tomorrow. So I can spend $3 grand anytime I want, any day, no problem. If I spend $10,000 today, I know in the next couple of days that money's coming in automatically while I'm sleeping, guys. It's called affiliate marketing. It's been around for 25 to 30 years, and you need to plug into it. Even if you're in your 50s or 60s, guys, make some extra money. You know, my mom is 74 years old, 75 years old now. She only makes about $1,400 a month with Social Security and her pension check. She worked her ass off in the hospital industry for 38 years, and she only has $1,400 a month to show for it at the age of 75. That's crazy. My father's 85. He's got about $3,000 a month coming in. He worked his ass off for 50 years. 50 years, and all he has is $3,500 to show for it. Guys, don't fall into that trap. Get out of the matrix. Get online. Get on social media. Build a brand. Sell some products. Sell some services. I'm a coach as well. I can put you into the coaching business. It's the #1 business on the internet right now worldwide in over 60 English-speaking countries. So watch the video to the end. At the very end of this video, I'm going to give you one little secret tip that I've been doing since 2020 that makes me an extra $18,000 plus a month. Okay, here we go.